This is 2006 AP Calculus AP free response number 4, and the first question is to ask to find the average acceleration of rocket A over the time interval between 0 to 80 seconds, and let us indicate units of measure. So first of all, we just try to find the average value of this. We take the velocity in 0 seconds and velocity in 80 seconds and subtract each other and divided by 80, and we got 0.55 feet per second square. And the second question is asked, using correct units, explain the meaning of integral 10 to 70 the vt dt in terms of rocket's flight. Use a middle point Riemann sum with 3 subintervals of equal length to approximate that. So basically this integral means like the distance or displacement, because like the velocity is greater than 0 means its accelerations are all the time, so the distance equals displacement of the rocket that it traveled. So the unit is just distance, because when we use a midpoint Riemann sum, the length is equals to feet per second, the second, and the height is equal to feet per second. So each subinterval's areas is equals to feet. So basically, it's the distance that the rocket traveled. And use the midpoint. We can just calculate the delta x first. So we use 70 minus 10 divided by 3 because it's set with 3 subintervals. We got 20. So delta x is 20. So we use midpoint. So it's 20 times velocity at the time 20 seconds and 40 seconds and 60 seconds, and we sum up, and the answer is 2020 feet. The third question is that there's another rocket B is launched and upwards with accelerations of 80 feet per second. So it asks us to find which rocket, A or B, is traveling faster in time t equals 80 seconds. And in order to find out which is faster, we should find out the velocity of each rocket at time equals to 80 seconds. So we know that we can take the antiderivative of 80, which gives us the velocity of the rocket B, and we can use up to find that the bt equals 6 root square t plus 1 plus c, and it gives us that when t equals 0, the initial velocity is 2 feet per second. We solve the c equals to -4, so the bt equals to 6 square root t plus 1 minus 4, and we put 80 seconds into the velocity, so we got the rocket B at the time equals to 80 seconds. The velocity is 6 times 9 minus 4 is equals to 50, and it's greater than 49, which is the velocity of the first rocket at 80 seconds. So rocket B is like more faster than A at 80 seconds. Yep, that's it.